to use Bing AI Image Generator.
So first is to log into your Bing account, and then over here under Explore Ideas, you will see pictures generated. And when you go over to that picture, you will see words that prompt this image to be generated. So now click this search bar and then type in the words to the image that you want to be generated. For instance, and then hit search. Now this images has been generated. So beside this search bar, you will see this credits. So the more image that you generate, your credits will decline. So do not worry, as every week your credits will be replenished. So to download, just click on the image that you want to download and then click this download button. Now your image has been downloaded in your device. And so that is how you use Bing AI Image Generator. Thank you and have a great day.